Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to easily cast and control your Android smartphone from your PC or laptop. So let's begin the video. First of all, search for Scrickbee. Click on GitHub link. Scroll down and click on Windows to download it for Windows PC. Also install Scrickbee app from Play Store on your Android. Now open and extract the downloaded zip on your PC. Open the extracted folder. Double-click to open a terminal here at File. Open the Scrickbee app on your Android phone. And enable USB debugging from Developer option. To enable developer option, click on build number 5 to 6 times in your phone's about device. Now connect your phone via USB. And you're all set. Just type Scrickbee in the terminal. You can now cast and control your smartphone AF. Tell me in the comments if you want wireless method for the same. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel.